Capstone 4. Hydrological climate changes to Australia. Nowadays, hydrological changes caused by climate change create a tremendous threat to Australia's biota. It is expected that the hydrological cycle will expand due to the rising temperature in the troposphere, and thus it will increase the water holding capacity. This change will result in longer and more frequent droughts and less frequent but more severe precipitation events. In this manner, climate changes in Australia will be characterized by droughts and wildfires as well as severe floods. The country's flora and fauna will suffer from these hydrological changes. In particular, there is a high risk of habitat destruction of an endemic species. Besides, migratory species are in danger as well, since the salinity of water resources will increase due to variable precipitation. The southwestern part of the Australian continent is considered to be the most vulnerable region because it is inhabited by an extraordinary concentration of unique species and identified as biodiversity hotspot. According to the forecast, the increase in the concentration of precipitation events may lead to intense soil erosion. In fact, soil erosion, which would be a result of massive rainfalls, has a significant impact on the level of CO2. It is forecasted that by 2090s, CO2's level will grow by as much as 40 to 50% in Australia. Furthermore, droughts, which were caused by increased water holding capacities, threaten carbon storage and ecosystem productivity. It is stated that droughts of the future will affect carbon uptake and storage, leading to feedbacks to the climate system. Moreover, the extreme weather events will hurt Australia's agriculture. It is forecasted that the majority of people who work in the agricultural sphere will lose their profit as a result of climate change. This scenario reminds me of the importance of creating a water literate society. The measures that should be taken include the advanced understanding of floras and faunas, conditions of survival, as well as people's adaptation to different water availability.